Welcome back to my video, guys. So long back. So today we are going to install this. This is a dummy air vent for your hood. So just for only just for a show. Uh, see, you will have a two-side tape in this on the both sides. So I thought of installing it here like this and this. So first we have to take out this 3M tape in this. So we'll get back to the video. So now we have taken out all stickers. So we have to stick it now. So we'll stick. It's a carbon fiber. So now we have sticked on both the sides. As you can see, 3M tape is the given in that only. So I bought it from wish.com. So it's actually imported. So now the car will look like this. Little muscular look. So coming videos I'll be painting this, even I'll be stickering this for black, and my mirrors will be black, and we are going to cut this and install a fog light for this. Yeah, please do subscribe to my channel.